In this video, I'll show you how to type a square root symbol in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. In order to show a square root symbol like the one you can see on the screen, we've got to do a couple of things first. To get started, we need to insert an equation into our Word document. The quickest way of doing this is holding Alt on your keyboard, then selecting the equal sign. And this will open up a new equation area for us to type into. You'll also notice at the top of the ribbon, it says equation. From here, we've got a couple of options. The first method includes selecting radical, then selecting the first option, square root. And as you can see, the square root symbol has been added in, and this square here with the circles is an area where you can type in the number of your choice. For example, 100. Once you're happy, select out of it, and now you've got a square root of 100 in your Microsoft Word document. An even faster way of doing this is typing the following inside of the equation. \sqrt, and then once you get to the end, simply press the space bar. Then you can type in the number of your choice, then select out of it. The only difference is that the square root symbol arch here, that line doesn't cover as much. So it's up to you which one you prefer. An additional method is using something called Unicode. Type in the following. I'll put this in the description below. Then once you've typed it in, press Alt and then X, and that square root symbol will appear again. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn how to insert other mathematical equations into your Word document, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.